we have other mission specialists, Carlos Noriega, Ed Liu, and of course Michael Full, who we saw. And on the other side of the room, another one of our mission specialists preparing for his first flight, Carlos Noriega. And Michael Full. Again, our launch will occur at the opening of our 7-minute window at 4:07 and 48 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Roger, 0G, and I feel fine.
Nice to be in orbit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Main gear touchdown. And nose gear touchdown. Atlantis rolling out on runway 33 at the Kennedy Space Center, completing 145 orbits of the Earth and a 3.6 million mile journey to deliver Mike Foale to the Mir space station. and also to return Jerry Linenger to Earth after 4.5 months in space.